Today we are talking about visa application, key document that you need to take it very seriously whenever you are applying for a visa. If today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome to Pathway to Abroad. Here we give you information, we provide you with the opportunities that you can use to move to your dream country, either through school, either through conference, through visit, through job offers, and any other means that you can use that is legal means to travel to your dream country. If you want me to assist you with cover letter, CV writing, visa application, hotel booking, flight booking, reservations, dummy tickets, what you have to do, just pick the number on the screen and call me or WhatsApp me or pick my email address and send an email which is through CV underscore say ike@yahoo.com. Now let's talk about this key document that you will need to be very cautious with it whenever you are submitting your visa application. The first thing that I'll talk about is your bank statement. Make sure your bank statement is accurate. The emphasis is what accurate. Make sure everything is on point whenever you request for your bank statement. There are certain banks that you need to use. Make sure you are using international banks. I am talking from experience. Never use microfinance, the rural banks, and other banks. If the bank that you are using for your visa application is not an international bank, Charlie, don't use it, because you are showing them, the visa officer, that this is the money that you have in your account and this is the money that you are going to spend. Some banks are not international. It means that maybe if you move to UK, you cannot withdraw money from that particular bank to sponsor yourself. So make sure your bank is what international bank, which you can withdraw money if you are in UK. So take very look at this one. Make sure your bank is what international bank. If you work for someone, if you are an employer, you work for someone, okay, what you have to do is to get your leave letter which state ongoing contracts with the company, okay, stating how much you earn, stating you have noticed them that you want to visit this particular country for this reason. They have to state all these in the leave letter with the company's letterhead. Get your bank state, get your pay slips showing that you are being paid by that particular company, okay, so to prove that you have some work that you are doing back home, so at the end of your visit you will return back to your home country. That is document number two. If you have any property, you can attach it, like land, like a house. Maybe you can even attach your rent agreement, that is tenancy agreement, okay, to support that you have a place, you have a contract with someone else back home. If you hold any position in a church, you are a steward, you are elder, yes, you can use that. You can let your church to write a letter of introductory, that is introductory letter to support your application too. Okay, so these are some of the documents that you need to be very careful with it. If you are married, add your marriage certificate to your um, application. If you have children back home, add their birth certificate to show that you have strong home tie in your home country. All right, so don't joke with these documents when you are submitting your visa application. Let me repeat it again. Never use any raw bank microfinance. Make sure the bank that you are using is an international bank which you can withdraw money from it when you move to the country that you are going to visit. These are some of the things the visa officer look at it very keenly before they decide whether they are going to give you the visa or not. And make sure you write a nice cover letter. Attach a strong cover letter stating the reason why you want to visit there, how the trip is going to be a benefit to you, and I need to make sure that you have your itinerary which shows your day-to-day activities in the country that you are going to visit. If you need my assistance with your visa application, comprehensive visa application support, you can book the service directly through my seller shop, which I'll leave in the video description, or you can email me, or you can call or WhatsApp me through the number on the screen. Thank you for watching the video up to this point, and don't forget to share, like. See you. Bye bye.